Hello, I'm Kaye Smith and I'm the school manager, and welcome to another edition of the International School Phuket video blog. Today I'm going to be explaining the process of how to obtain visas from outside of Thailand. These visas are a student ED visa and a follow non-O visa for the parents. Firstly, and most importantly, a check needs to be made with the local embassy on whether they issue ED visas, because not all embassies do. Secondly, we need to see copies of all passports of the family that is coming to the school. We need the first page, and we also need every page that has a stamp on for our lawyer to check. Once our lawyer has approved the passports and that we can make the visas for the family, we then need to register the children at ISP. And to do this, we need a minimum of payment of termly plan. We also need a photo of the family outside of their current family home of where they're staying in the originating country, and a picture of them inside the home. This is to make sure that there is authenticity of the application. Once the payment has been received and the photos, we can then register the child or children at ISP. And at that point, we will also register the children with the Ministry of Education. After approximately 2 weeks, ISP will receive confirmation and an approval letter from the Ministry of Education to say the child can study in Thailand. We will then send the letter and all the required documents from our end to the parents for them to send or take to their local embassy. Also, the following documents will need to be taken or sent to the embassy from the parents' side. These are passports, birth certificates for the children in English, marriage certificate, if applicable, in English, completed non-O and ED visa application form for both the parent and child, photos and any other paperwork the Thai embassy require. This can vary embassy to embassy, so you need to check locally of what the requirements are. If everything is present and correct, the local Thai embassy will issue a 90-day ED visa for the child and a 90-day non-O visa for the parent who is following the child on their ED visa. Then, after arrival to Thailand, the parents will be required to open a bank account and deposit 500,000 baht for each ED visa that they will follow. So for one child, that means 500,000 baht will need to be deposited into an account and left there for 1 month. If there is more than one child, it will be 500,000 per child for 1 month. As a side note, this is for the first year only. When renewing the visa for the second year, 3 months are required for the 500,000 baht deposit. After the funds have been into the account for 1 month, parents can go to the Phuket immigration and take the following documentation with them: the completed visa extension application form, passports and passport copies of the TM6 arrival card and the 90-day visas, birth certificates of the children in English, marriage certificates, if applicable, in English, school letter confirming the children's active status at ISP, and for this letter we require 5 days notice to create it, bank statements and letter from the bank confirming a deposit of 500,000 baht per student for 1 month, updated bank books, 4 cm by 6 cm photos of parent and child, the house contract or rental agreement, photo of the family taken in front of the house with the house number or name present, notification of residence TM30 form, and visa fee of 1,900 baht per person. Then, if all that is present and correct, the Thai immigration will extend the visas from 1 year from the arrival date. Please note that only one parent can follow one child. So if there are 2 parents and 1 child, one parent can follow the child and the other parent will have to find another way to get a visa. That is something that we arrange, and we can talk about that in the office by email or by WhatsApp. For families who are already in Thailand, the process is slightly different and is on a case-by-case basis depending on the visas they've had before. So families who are interested in getting a visa with us who are already in Thailand, please come and see us at the office or send us a message and we can look at your case. So if you're interested in getting a visa for yourself and your child, please get in contact with us by the numbers and the email address that are on your screen and are also in the description below. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube, and follow us on our Facebook and Instagram. Thanks so much, and see you next time for another edition of our video vlog. Ciao!